Well, good day, paper engineers in training. I am working on some interesting pieces here. Okay, I had to rip these in half. Now, a lot of times you can't get a hold of something like this unless you clamp the ends. Well, I don't have any furniture clamps to do that. And so what I've got here, I think you can see it. Maybe you can't see it. Let's bring this a little closer. Okay, what I have got is screws. All right, now what you do is you got your edge of your table here. You see it? Oh yeah, you can see it. And all right. Now that won't come off. Okay, and you. I got my measurements and everything along here, and these handy dandy guns are oh so good because now all I gotta do is stick it in my skill saw. Same drill pack, runs both. Now, something I know, this has to be cut in half for that because I need a roughly 4 feet. These are not quite 4. They're 3'6", which is fine. And so now what I'm going to do, see, this is speed square. A speed square. I need 2 1/4. That's that notch right there. Okay, so at 2 1/4. Now I can take this speed square and I can run it along here. It'll give me a straight line because this is a factory edge. So now what I do is I go over here to 2 1/4 and I stick the pencil in there and I just run it down like that. And now I want to do it one more time just to make sure that it's a good dark line. All right. There, speed square. They work really, really good. Lumber pencil. Now what we do is we go over here. There is a beautiful cut and it's nice and straight. So now I've got 4 more rafters that I can use to build my porch. All right, Paper Army, that's enough of that training for the day. Take care, salute. Oh, salute you guys. I'm still getting used to doing this camera stuff. Anyway, phone show, I love it. Thank you all for joining. Thank you for coming and seeing my show, 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Salute, Paper Army. You're good human beings. Take care. I love you a lot. Have a good weekend.